Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a Moules Marinieres on the Pro 5 from WPPO. So Moules Marinieres is both easy, super tasty, and fast to make. After we get a good fire going, this will not take more than 10 minutes before it's ready to serve. So let's start with that. Let's start with getting a good fire going. We now have a good fire going in the pizza oven, so it's now time to start cleaning the mussels. And what you want to do is you want to empty the bag over running water, and then you want to scrub this thoroughly to remove any beard, barnacles, or other stuff. You also want to look through the mussels to see if there's any broken ones, and then you just want to remove those. The mussels are now rinsed and cleaned, so it's time to start cooking. And you want to cook this in a cast iron pan. And we're going to start with adding half a stick of butter. When the butter has melted, we're going to add 1 large leek that we have thinly sliced and half an onion that we have finely chopped. You also want to add some mashed garlic to the pan, and then you want to place this back in the pizza oven and cook it until the leeks and the onions are getting soft. So it's been about 7 minutes now and it smells really good. So what we want to do now is add the white wine. And I add about a cup of white wine to this mixture. And then what's ever left in the bottle, that goes to the chef. You want to put the pan back into the pizza oven and reduce the wine to about half. The wine has now reduced to half, so it's time to add the mussels. Then we want to cover the pan and put it back again for about 90 seconds. So it's been about 2 minutes now and the mussels are ready, so it's time to put some finishing touches to the dish. Now you want to stir the mussels and remove any mussels that has not opened yet. Then it's time to add half a stick of butter, 2 tablespoons of our badass seafood boost, parsley, and about half a cup of heavy whipping cream. You don't normally have whipping cream in a Moules Marinieres, but I like it. And that is how you make a quick and easy Moules Marinieres on the Pro 5 from WPPO. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. Oh, creamy, a lot of great herbal notes, and a wonderful mussel flavor. This is really good and super easy to make, so I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.